Hello, Zoe the Robot fans. I haven't posted for a while, but I have been working on Zoe, so I thought I'd give you a quick update. I'm running their computer section on this power supply, and she's pulling about 300 milliamps of current from that. And that's mostly powering these LEDs and some of her internal stuff. I've got a little test program running to blink the LEDs. It's actually counting in binary, so each LED blinks at twice the speed of the previous one, or half the speed. And as far as the brain implant goes, I've got her cushioned bed. Can't see that. Mounted on there, and also on the computer itself, it's mounted on rubber O-rings, so it can bounce there without too many troubles. And also on her computer bed, I have the second DC-DC converter. This one will be putting out 19 volts because that's what this Geekom computer requires. And this one over here is putting out to 12 volts. So another thing I did was, because I cannot get the Fidgets software to work properly with Windows 11. This is one of the Fidgets boards. It has 8 input ports, 8 output ports, and 8 analog ports. And it also has a 6-port USB hub on it. Well, since I can't get the software for it to work, I'm mostly thinking I'm just going to use it for a USB hub. And that means this board used to control my LEDs, these bright orange ones. But I also had this Key Studio Arduino 256 clone here, and I had extra ports, which is nice because Arduinos have lots of ports. And so I borrowed 8 of those ports and set them up to be output ports. I built a new ribbon cable, a rainbow cable, and that's what's connected to my LED driver now. And so I can control the LEDs from the computer through the Arduino. Now, I have to add a bunch of code to the Arduino, and the Arduino was and will be in the future, I hope, reading the ultrasonic ports. That's these little guys. If I add on the serial functions to that Arduino, I don't know if that's going to interfere with my reading of those ultrasonic sensors or not. But anyway, this is just a quick update for Zoe the robot. And that's all for now.